Hi, first grade friends. It's Mrs. Hannah, and I am ready for our phonological awareness lesson today. I have a new little screen here I want to show you. There's a picture of a hand. Do you see that hand? Okay, we're going to use our hand for our lesson today. Okay, so I'm going to say a set of words, and I'm going to raise my hand if all the words begin with the same sound. If they don't begin with the same sound, I'm going to keep my hand in my lap. Okay, so listen. The first set of words is winter warm coat. Should I raise my hand? I shouldn't raise my hand. Why should I not raise my hand? Well, because winter begins with W, the what sound. Warm begins with the W, what sound. Those have the same sound, but the last word begins with the k sound, not the what sound like winter and warm. So that one does not work, so I would not raise my hand. Let's try it again. My marker. I would raise my hand because both my and marker both begin with the sound. Try this one. Pink party hat. Did you raise your hand? I hope you didn't, because pink and party both begin with the P, which is the letter P, but hat begins with the H sound, which is not the same as pink and party. Try this one. Super stinky sock. Are you laughing over there? I would put my hand up for that one. Super stinky sock. They all begin with the S sound. Good. Try this one. Tiny turtle town. I would raise my hand for that. Tiny turtle town. They both, or sorry, not they both, they all three begin with the T sound. That's the letter T. Try this one. Eat each pear. Don't raise your hand on that one. Eat and each both begin with the E sound, but pear does not begin with that. Great job. That was to get us warmed up and listening and ready to go. Our next section looks like this. We're going to practice saying all the sounds in a word. So this is a little bit like karate chop with a little bit of guess my word together. Okay, so we're going to listen carefully to each sound, and then we're going to smooth it out. So kind of, like a karate chop. So listen to all the sounds that I'm saying, okay? K, p. My word is cup. I hear a k at the beginning, in the middle, and p at the end. Cup. K, p. Okay, let's try another one. This is a picture of a rooster at dawn. Dawn means when the sun is popping up and ready for the day. So dawn is at the beginning of the day when the sun is first popping up out of the sky. You can see it. So this is a picture of dawn. So let's say all the sounds in dawn. We can karate chop it. Let's do it. D, a, m. Dawn. Very good. What about this one right here? That is a picture of a duck. Let's say all the sounds of duck. D, a, k. Duck. Very nice. Here is a picture of a fish. Let's say all the sounds in fish. F, I, sh. Fish. Great job. The next one is a picture of a gym, like a gym at a school. Let's say all of the sounds that we hear in gym. J, I, m. Gym. Great. Next, lamb. L, A, m. lamb. Next is a leash. Say it with me, all the sounds. L-E-sh, leash. Very nice. This is a picture of a lock. Let's say all the sounds in lock. L-A-K, lock. And the last one is a sheep. Let's say all the sounds in sheep. Sh-E-P, sheep. Very good listening to all of the sounds in those words. Great karate chopping. Now, let's listen for the beginning sound in each word. What sound do you hear at the beginning of dawn? D. Very good. Do cup and dawn begin with the same sound? They don't begin with the same sound. Cup begins with the K sound, and dawn begins with the D sound. I'm going to put this in a separate pile. So we have one that begins with a K and one that begins with a D. What about duck? Does duck have the same sound, beginning sound as cup? No. What about dawn? Duck, dawn. Hey, those go together. I'm going to put the duck right underneath the picture of the dawn. Okay, let's try fish. Fish. Does fish have the same beginning sound as cup? No. What about dawn and duck? Fish, duck. That doesn't work either. We're going to have to make a new pile. Okay, so fish is going to go over here. Okay, next is a picture of a gym. Does gym have the same beginning sound as cup? Gym, cup. Nope. Gym, dawn. Not the same beginning sound. Gym, fish. Not the same beginning sound. So we're going to put them in a new column. What about the word lamb? Does lamb have the same beginning sound as cup, dawn, fish, or gym? It doesn't. It has a beginning sound. Ooh. That one doesn't work either. We're going to make another pile. Here's a picture of a leash. A leash. Does leash have the same beginning sound as cup, dawn, fish, gym, or lamb? Ooh. Leash. Ooh. Lamb. Did you say lamb? Good job. Lamb and leash both have the same beginning sound. Here's a picture of a lock. Does lock have the same beginning sound as cup, dawn, fish, gym, or lamb? Has the same beginning sound as lamb and lock. Lamb and leash. Sorry, lamb and leash. So lock goes with those. Great. Last one is sheep. Does sheep have the same beginning sound as cup, dawn, fish, gym, or lamb? It doesn't have the same beginning sound as any of them, so it goes in its own column. How many piles did I make? How many piles did I make of words that have the same beginning sound? Here's one pile. There's only one in it, but that still counts as a pile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 6 piles of words that have the same beginning sound. Great job. All right. Now we're going to go back to our little tiles over here, and we're going to break more words into their sounds. So I'm going to move the tile for each sound that we say together. Okay, are you ready? Our word is deep. Deep. So we're going to break it apart. Ready? D-E-P. Deep. Do you hear that? Great. Let's try another word. Your word is, I'm going to look at my book. My page went away. Okay. I lost my page. Okay. Oh, here it goes. Okay. Van. Ready? Van. Very good. Mug. M-U-G. Mug. Very good. What about this word? This word's going to be add. 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 I only had to move 2 tiles up because it has 2 sounds. Okay? Try this next one. Fit. It. Fit. Excellent. Very good. We are doing a great job. You are doing a great job breaking those words apart so that you can hear the sounds in those words. I want you to keep up the great work, and I'll see you later. Bye, first grade friends.